Step into the 2009 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.